What's up, guys? Welcome to Talk English, the place where learning English doesn't feel like work, and you won't need a cup of coffee to stay awake during our lessons. Whether you're just starting to speak or you've been practicing your English for Dummies book, we've got you. From easy phrases to making you sound like a pro, this channel has everything you need. So, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I dare you. Talk English, because your voice deserves to be heard. Even if you've got a funny accent. What is spoken English and why is it important? 1. Introduction to spoken English. Alright, let's dive in. So what exactly is spoken English? It's just using English to talk, like talking to your friend, or explaining to the waiter that you want extra cheese on your pizza. It's all about communication. No pressure, we're not writing an essay here, just having a good old conversation. 2. Why spoken English is so important. Let's get to the good stuff. Why do we care about speaking English? Better communication. Whether you're trying to order food, ask for directions, or talk about that crazy movie you just watched, English makes things clearer. Career growth. Want a promotion? Want to be the person who always gets invited to the important meetings? Learn English. Traveling. Picture this, you're in a foreign country and you can't ask for directions. Now that's a nightmare. But with English, you're set. Making friends. You could be talking to someone halfway around the world, and with English, you're best friends in no time. Entertainment. Let's be real, English is everywhere. So whether you're watching Netflix, listening to pop songs, or understanding memes, English is the secret sauce. 3. Overcoming the fear of speaking English. The biggest fear of every English learner. What if I sound silly? Spoiler alert. We all sound silly at first. Remember that time you tried to speak in a new language and you were like, did I just butcher that word? Everyone goes through it, but guess what? Mistakes make you smarter. So if you accidentally say, I am hungry when you meant to say, I'm angry, just laugh and move on. Trust me, you're doing fine. 4. Learning spoken English with confidence. Let's be real here, no one is perfect. I mean, even native English speakers mess up. So don't stress. At Talk English, we make learning a joke because, well, it's more fun that way. You'll pick up easy phrases and confidence tricks that make you sound supernatural. Imagine this. You're ordering a coffee and you say, I'll have a tall, extra hot, non-fat caramel macchiato. And boom, you're officially a coffee shop pro. And if you mess up, who cares? You're still fabulous. Conclusion. And that's a wrap, folks. Spoken English is your new superpower, and we've only scratched the surface. With Talk English, you'll speak like a pro, and who knows, maybe even start correcting others. If you had a blast today, go ahead and like, share, and make sure you're subscribed to Talk English. Trust me, you don't want to miss the next episode. Talk English, because your voice deserves to be heard. And maybe even applauded.